Hi guys, happy Friday! Yay, we made it. And for those in Auckland, no, it's not Auckland anniversary day, so it's short week. You made it. And Tuesday, Waitangi Day. So hey, holidays everywhere. Anyway, this is a great salad for the holidays, especially when it's miserable outside. It's going to liven up your inside. So it's a really nice summer salad. I'm kind of over the whole lettuce, carrot, cucumber, you know, your normal green salad. So guys, today we are going to make a watermelon based salad, seedless watermelon, which is confusing because how do they grow watermelons, seedless watermelons, if they're seedless? Anyway, it obviously does have a few little seeds in it. But it's full of basically half fruit and some vegetables, so even your kids are going to love this one. It's really tasty, really different. It would pair lovely with lamb or fish, or yeah, I'm salivating as I was putting all the ingredients out. Hey Mel.
She just said her favourite fruit, summer fruit, is avocado. Is avocado a fruit?
Technically it is, yeah.
I suppose it is, it grows on a tree, doesn't it?
Yep. So guys, anyway, like, share, comment, please comment. You know, I love chatting to you guys and love feedback, etc. But also today we are going to make a little summery cocktail. I'm going to show you how to rim a glass with salt, just in case, and also going to introduce to you coconut vodka, which we have made with our sous vide. You probably could just make it steeping it at home, so we've got to work that one out. So we will do a live later on, or a post later on, about making your own cocktail.
And Alana, yes, it does sound amazing.
So
it does. Welcome back, Alana.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, few things.
Oh, is the music okay?
Oh yeah, can you hear the music?
Can you hear the music?
We've turned it up. It feels really loud for us.
Like we're clubbing on a.
But
so you let us know if you can hear it.
Yeah, let us know if you can hear it. Anyway, it's a little like cafe wah wah in the background. Anyway. So what do I need to say? Like, share, post, comment, check out our new YouTube channel and subscribe.
Thanks Carla, thanks Mel.
And are we running a competition today?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys.
So you got to share your favourite fruit.
Share your favourite fruit. Or tell us your favourite fruit and share this video. Now it's until next Wednesday. We're doing it till next Wednesday so that people get time over the weekend to have a look.
Oh, you don't have to, Alani, you don't have to put the vodka. She's saying, can we leave the vodka out? No, not in a vodka cocktail. You know what?
You could.
We're going to find out, aren't we?
Hey, you could certainly make it look pretty with juices and stuff. So, but anyway, I'll show you that. First of all, let's get, now we're going to just prep our watermelon. So I've got really nice slices here of watermelon, and I really like it with the green skin on just because I really want to pop that colour.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
So I'm just going to dry it, and I've got on the oven heating up a lined skillet. You could do this very easily on the barbecue, however we didn't want to go outside today.
No, it's easier to do it inside.
It's easier to do it inside. So
skillet heating up on the oven there.
So yeah, and I can't pick that skillet up because it's really hot. So I'm just going to pop that down using my hands.
We just had a certain Jono Stephen join us. Hello, Jono.
Hello, Jono.
Now, Jono, let us know your favourite summer fruit, and you might be in to win a prize.
If you're lucky.
If you're lucky.
So, guys, while that is sizzling away,
there's a robot in the background as well.
Oh, yes, our son is building Meccano.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to make this cocktail because I'm actually more excited about that than that, just because it's Friday and y'all. So yeah, manky old plate, a little bit of lime juice. And I'm just going to swirl that around.
That's very fancy. You know what we're doing.
Fancy pants. Oh. What do you mean I look like I know what I'm doing? So you want that to stand there. That's my little garnish I prepped earlier. Nice. Now I'm going to use some Mrs. Rogers Pink Himalayan Fine Salt because I thought the pink colour would match with the pink.
Hello, Ashanti. Ashanti says, hey boo.
So we just want some salt. Some of the salt. So this is how you rim glasses.
Look at that.
With any kind of sugar, salt.
Is it lime juice?
This is lime juice. You could use lemon juice, you could use water, you could use egg wash, you could use whatever you like. But that is how they rim a glass when you're going to fancy pants place.
Well done.
So guys,
I'm impressed.
you're impressed? And of course Mrs. Rogers' pink Himalayan salt is really nice.
So it looks nice as well. It's not
So
just
it
your normal
looks
salt.
nice. Now, I also want to get some ice in there.
Alicia loves nectarines. Oh, I love a good nectarine.
Oh, nectarines are great. So are plums
That
at
is-
the moment.
Actually, I'd vote
I'll
for
just
nectarine
check
being my
my,
favourite summer fruit.
Would it be?
Yep. Yep. Oh,
Oh.
wait, we're going to get over there and have a look at this.
Sorry. Yep, we're getting some lines here. Look.
Look at that, everybody. And the sizzle is spectacular. So
Spectacular sizzle.
we call this a
Sensationally sexy summer salad.
With sizzle.
And after you have this alcohol, you won't be able to say that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Alana loves plums and peaches too. Yeah, love a good. Oh,
So
man, I
guys,
feel like peaches.
just a little trick. This is my daughter's LOL Shopkins thing. But it gives me the nice shape.
Oh, look at that.
So look at that. Okay, so now I've got one shot of our homemade coconut vodka.
So with the coconut vodka, we can tell you how to make that.
We will tell you how to make that. However, this is for the salt
Yes.
because you need to know all that fancy pants stuff. I've got a little bit more lime juice, just a touch, because I just want it to add. And I'm just using some pink bubbles. Don't have to be expensive pink bubbles. Cheap pink bubbles is good. It's a party. And
Welcome to Friday.
about half a glass in there, or some. Now I'm not going to shake it. I'm just going to swirl it. Just
Angie says she likes strawberries. I missed that comment.
Oh,
Sorry.
strawberries.
Angie,
Yeah, actually, any berries. Go
Strawberry
the
picking
berries.
for ages.
Go the berries. Love the berries. So guys,
So that was a bit of,
I'm
and then
just going to
all that in there. Oh, that looks good.
pour that.
How's
in
your
there.
watermelon going over
My
there?
watermelon's smelling perfect.
Look at that.
It's my fancy pants
A little iceberg in the middle.
Friday. Yeah, well, you know, I've got to keep it hot. So, let me just grab my
So that's
plate.
coconut vodka, your pink
Bubbles.
bubbles, and now we're off to the watermelon, which
Yeah,
is looking
just-
lovely.
So we just want to warm it through
Smells nice.
and get the colour on it. It's just the colour I'm after, really.
Does look yummy, Alana.
Obviously, you don't need to cook watermelon,
No.
but it is nice.
What's the look, isn't it?
It's the look, it's to make it look pretty. Now, this salad is all about eating with your eyes first.
Yep.
So guys, I have got some fresh lemon wedges.
Oh,
I'm going to make it over here, Mr. Cameraman.
sorry.
So, fresh lemon wedges. Now, you could bulk this up with,
Carl has Smirnoff vodka and guarana. I don't know how to say that. Guarana.
what was it?
Jeez. You know, guarana or whatever that makes you stay awake? She has that with vodka.
Oh.
And doesn't go to sleep.
Wow, yeah.
And yes, we are going to have a fry-yay. This is not
It
a
is a
Friday,
fry-yay.
this is a fry-yay.
Okay, so I've got a few little cherry tomatoes here. Now, you could bulk this out with some spinach, some
The
lettuce.
colours look lovely. I'm not sure if the colours are coming. Oh, I suppose they are coming through. Okay. The colours look glorious.
Blueberries.
And you know what? You know what? This is infinitely Instagrammable. If you were to do this
Instagrammable.
and then pop it up on Instagram, you'd look like some kind of hero.
So I want biggish mint leaves. I love mint
Here we
leaves.
go. There's a better shot over the top.
And I want
Thanks,
That's
Alana.
right.
Lana loves watching the videos. You're a star.
You
Thank you
rock.
for joining us all the time, by the way, everybody. But we do have our regulars coming through, which is fantastic.
Okay, now
Oh,
guys,
what are you doing there?
I'm just sprinkling some nuts on. Those are I love those nuts.
Yep. Yeah, we definitely need to Instagram
I'm
this.
just going
Oh, look at
to
what are they? Feta.
some feta. I know I like the Danish Feta, guys, because that's nice and creamy and
Yes.
finger lickable. Excuse me.
Gonna
Now.
get right in there. Where's the meat? Says Rex. I asked the same question and I was told the following.
I forgot my garnish.
Oh.
Look. Sorry.
There you go. Yummy.
Right.
Where's the meat? Rex said.
Rex.
Rex.
It's the big hunk of lamb on the side.
See, there you go. So not only you don't have to put little bits of meat, you can actually have a whole
You can have like
lamb.
a whole roast if
you can have
like.
a lamb.
Whole barbecue.
The nuts were walnuts.
The nuts are no, the nuts are actually pecan nuts.
Sorry,
you can use walnuts. You could use pistachios. You could use pumpkin kernels. You could use any kind of nut that you like. That's why I just kind of said nut.
Alana says that's party.
That's party. Right. So I've got some pomegranate seeds here.
So this is the.
So I have pulled. This is the dressing. I've pulled my pomegranate apart. Yum! Love pomegranate, and I'm just gonna pop those a bit.
Pop your pomegranates.
Pop my pomegranates because I want a bit of the juice. You could just buy straight out juice if you want.
But that's boring.
But that's boring, and I actually like the seeds, and the seeds are high in fibre, so they are great.
I don't think I could sneak a drink of that with no one watching because I'm holding the camera.
Okay, you've got to concentrate, Mr. Cameraman.
Sorry.
So I actually have treacle as my base here. So a tablespoon of treacle. Guys, the recipe is in the post at the end.
Yes, we're doing the thing where we're putting the recipe up when we post this video.
Yeah.
So you can look at it right now. It is there right now, no waiting. So that was
lemon juice.
How much lemon juice?
A tablespoon.
Tablespoon of lemon juice.
2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now for the first time pretty much ever, I am actually using olive oil. I love olive oil. It does have a flavour, so you've got to use it with the flavour. And Mrs. Rogers smoked paprika, half a teaspoon. So guys, as per in my famous jar, you just want to shake that up because the treacle just needs to melt through it. You could use it in a blender, but don't forget you've got those seeds. So you could do all this bit first and then pour it over the muddled seeds if you want. Or do it like a...
Do it to the beat.
It's like being in a bar. Better not pour it in my drink, better pour it over the salad.
Yes.
So the good...
It says it reminds of a popping bubble wrap. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Pop, pop.
Yum.
Is that good?
So it's always a good time to test it. Now, don't pour it over your salad and go, oh, I wish that had more of this, wish that had more of that. Because guys, you can test this. You could put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there if you want.
Treacle different to golden syrup? I was going to ask the same thing.
It is. It is different. Off the top of my head, I'm not 100% sure. I think they're made from different sugars. So I'm pretty sure golden syrup is white sugar and treacle is brown sugar.
Google.
Could be wrong.
We'll Google it and let you know.
I'll Google it. I did Google it years ago, but Whoa! I haven't even had a drink yet. So guys, let's do this. Let's do this. Now you can either pour it on the side, or now I do want some of those.
Wait. Oh. Just trying to get my camera all working again.
Well, come on, cameraman.
It's gone a bit bung.
So I actually just want to do a line of the seeds.
Do a line of the seeds.
Because I think that looks pretty. And then I just want to do... And the good thing about the smoked paprika is that you get the colour. Again, we're going all for colour. I'll just do a little bit more. Yum! So guys, that's cheers to my sensationally sexy summer salad.
Let's have a look down there again.
So have a look. Any questions, guys? It's quick and easy today. I just wanted it to show you
cherries. Vanessa suggested
cherries. Cherries would be great. Do you know cherries are full of melatonin? So if you're having trouble sleeping, eat some cherries.
Or drink some of that.
Or drink some alcohol.
Yeah, exactly. Well done. Well.
So guys, cheers. Cheers. I'll try it. Yum.
Yum. I'd like to throw down a challenge for the people that are watching. Mel loves the plate. Yeah, it looks cool. Do this and post up your ones, because everyone's going to look different, aren't they? I mean, this is just a thrown together sort of, you just make it.
Everyone likes different things. I mean, you could put some really, nice.
That needs some more art direction.
What, your thing or me?
The salad there.
Oh. So yeah, you can do what you want. The basic ingredients you have to really put in there is watermelon. And then you add to it, you put the flavours that you really, really love in there. Cherries would be beautiful in there, sliced strawberries. Actually, I'm going to do a berry bowl very soon. maybe next week.
Sounds very nice.
Because it is very nice. A berry and quinoa salad,
well done.
which is really yum because I'm all about the salads. Just because the weather doesn't know what the hell it's doing outside, whether it's hot, cold, windy, windy, wherever in your hometown, we can sell it inside. So guys, that is my sensationally sexy summer salad.
Sizzling summer salad.
Sizzling summer salad using Mrs. Rogers smoked paprika in a pomegranate dressing, and Mrs. Rogers salted coconut and rosé cocktail.
Everyone enjoy your weekend. Thank you for watching. We'll see you back next week.
See ya.
Bye. Thanks for the comments. Bye.